Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Gurjyot. Last month I appeared for the IELTS Academic and recently I got its result. I am so happy to share with you guys that I got a band 9 in the listening module. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you how you should attempt the listening module in order to achieve your desired band. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Listening module is same for the general and the academic versions. Duration is 30 minutes and audio is played only once. So when you are asked to open the booklet, do not get stuck on the first page. Have a look at the whole paper so you will get an idea of the type of questions over there. Once the audio script starts, you are given time to read the questions in between. Make the best use of that time by reading the questions properly. If after reading you still have time, reread the questions and absorb them to understand what the question is demanding. How we attempt the questions actually depends on its type. So in section 1, we generally have the form filling questions where customers are interacting with the customer care executive or a student is inquiring in a university. So there is a form and you have to fill it. It generally includes contact numbers, addresses, or some street name. So generally they are spelled. So words which are spelled, we have to pay more attention towards that and be very attentive to note each letter properly. Next, we have questions where preferences are changing. The speaker generally says, I used to do this, but now I prefer this, but I never liked this, let's say. So when there is a total disagreement, just strike it off. If you find that these options are, there's no chance that these options are going to be your answer, just strike them off with the pencil so you can get a minimum range of the answers and it will be easy to finalize the answer. Next, we have questions where it's written, choose the correct letter. In this case, you have to choose the letter that corresponds to the right answer. Let's say your answer is money, so answer would be A. It won't be money. If you write M-O-N-E-Y instead of A, it would be an incorrect answer and you would not score any marks for the same. So write money. For money, write A. For slippers, write B. For fruit, write C. So in this way, you have to answer the choosing of the letter questions. We also have some questions where there is restriction and boundation of the words. Let's say in the question it's written, write not more than 2 words or not more than 1 word, not more than 3 words or a number and a word. So you have to be restricted. You have to restrict your answer to that limitation. If you write something beyond that, it would be incorrect and again you won't score any marks for the same. Do not ignore the singular and the plural nouns. If the answer is plural, the question demands a plural answer, write plural. If demands singular, then write singular. If you write the wrong count of the noun, then your answer would be incorrect and you would not score any marks for the same. Next, we have questions that have long options. Sentences are really long. We might not get sufficient time to read the questions. So in that case, what you can do is answer the question in the fill-up form. Make small notes on the side. When in the last you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers, what you can do is match your notes with the options and you can actually choose the right answer through this trick. So when the sentences are really long, this trick is really helpful. Do not try to memorize all the questions of a section or 5 to 6 questions at the same time because that is not possible. Try to keep in mind 2 to 3 questions because what happens is sometimes it happens with us that we are not able to keep up the pace and we skip some answer. So if we have in mind the second question, it becomes easy to catch up. So if you miss any answer, don't panic. Just try to catch up with the next answer. At last, I would advise you that if you are preparing for your IELTS exam, prior to your IELTS exam, maybe a week or 10 days before, what you can do is start listening to audio scripts in general, maybe songs or something, or your favorite actor's video you can watch, or some match commentary. Just get habitual to listening, because if you are not a native speaker, you are not habitual of listening, and definitely you won't understand if you are a beginner. So get habitual to the language, as it would help you to absorb in the exam, because listening is all about absorption. So yeah, that is all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.